Hey everyone, it's James again of Simplex Visuals, and today I'm gonna be talking about how I light my videos on a budget. I have improvised some cheap lights that I bought online. So if you're interested, just continue watching. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights all in all. For my key light, I used this small LED light which I bought online from Lazada for around 700 Philippine peso. I'll provide a link in the description below if you're interested. It needs Sony NP-F battery, so I have to buy it separately. I bought a third-party battery since it's cheaper and with charger already. To have a soft light, I use this portable photography flash diffuser. It's intended for flash, but it fits with that little LED light, so that worked for me. For my rim light, I just used our floor lamp with daylight LED bulb. I wrapped it with blue colored cellophane to have the blue accent at my head. For my practical lights, I have this bed lamp with warm LED bulb, USB LED strip light that I wrap around a plastic pole, and those fairy lights where we hang some of our travel photos. I also made this LED bulb inside a Chinese lantern to provide softer light as well. I mostly use this light on my food videos. So that's it. I hope that you've learned something new today that you can apply in your own videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.